Did you know a university counselor risked everything to expose a multi-million-dollar admissions scandal? Uma Rodriguez was a first-generation college graduate working as an admissions counselor at a prestigious university. She desperately needed her job to support her family, but something wasn't right. Wealthy parents were writing massive checks to her supervisor, and suddenly their average children were getting accepted over brilliant students. She discovered test scores being altered and fake athletic credentials created for kids who had never played sports. Uma faced an impossible choice: stay quiet and keep her job, or speak up and lose everything. She chose integrity. For months, she secretly gathered evidence while facing threats about her immigration status. When federal investigators arrived, they found exactly what she had documented. Multiple administrators were arrested in handcuffs for fraud. Uma received whistleblower protection and was promoted to oversight director. Most importantly, hundreds of deserving students got their stolen opportunities back. Sometimes doing the right thing costs everything, but integrity always pays dividends.